Hello, welcome to the Mason Libraries tutorial on searching for books in the catalog that are located in the Special Collections Research Center on the second floor of Fenwick Library. Books located in special collections are typically rare. For example, rare books may have historical or artistic value, be difficult to obtain copies of, or need special care. Due to their rarity, value, and sometimes fragility, these books do not leave the library, but can be used by making an appointment with the Special Collections Reading Room in Fenwick Library, room 2400. The examples on the screen include a pamphlet from the space race, a historic cookbook, and a set of collectible leather-bound classics published by the Franklin Library. SCRC holds these treasures and more. To make an appointment to view these resources, email speccall@gmu.edu, SPECCOLL@gmu.edu, or complete the form linked in the tutorial description. Hours are listed on the Special Collections webpage, scrc.gmu.edu, in the box titled SCRC Hours. Like all other library resources, items held by Special Collections can be found by using Mason Search on the Mason Library's webpage. You can locate Special Collections books by searching by keyword, title, or author. For this example, we will browse Special Collections items about dogs. First, we will type the keyword dog into the library search bar. On the results page, we will limit the location to Special Collections Research Center with the location filter on the left side of the page. After clicking the Apply Filters button, we can view a listing of books with the keyword dog available in Special Collections. Maybe we already know the specific type of rare book we are looking for. For example, Special Collections has artists' books, which are works of art in book form, and folios, which use an earlier style of printing and tends to be oversized. Adding this to the keywords in the search prompts Mason Search to include a filter under location for that specific type of resource. To narrow our results, let's add artist book to our keywords in the search bar. Now, when we navigate to the location filter again, we have the option to filter by SCRC Artist Books to view only Special Collections resources of that type. Let's click that filter and the Apply Filters button. Now we can see specifically the artist books that relate to the keyword dog. After deciding which book you want to view, note the call number and title, and make an appointment to view the book in the Special Collections Reading Room in room 2400 of Fenwick Library. As a reminder, you can email speccall@gmu.edu, or complete the form linked in the tutorial description to set up an appointment. For more detailed information about the Special Collections Research Center, please visit their website at scrc.gmu.edu. Thank you for using this tutorial. If you have other questions, please email Special Collections at speccall@gmu.edu, or refer to our other tutorials by following the links in the tutorial's description.